Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to look at the Maverick protocol and the ways we can make crypto passive income by investing in liquidity pools and staking the MAV token. So Maverick operates like most spot swap dexes. So if you're familiar with Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, and all the other swaps, liquidity providers deposit tokens into pools where traders can go and swap them at prices set by the automated market maker. So if we head over here to CoinMarketCap, they're currently ranked 283rd. The market cap's around 78 million. Their token price, this project just got released about a month ago, so they started out around 55 cents. They're currently around 31. There has been some price volatility over the last month. You can purchase this token at Binance, KuCoin, various other exchanges. You can swap for it on Uniswap and the Maverick protocol. So if we head over here to X, I was going to say Twitter. They have 177,000 followers. This account's been around since March of 2021. Their handle is MAV Protocol, so you can do a little bit more research there if you like. Go over here to DeFi Llama, 57.5 million total value locked. It looks like the fees generated in the last 24 hours are around 17,500, almost 500,000 over the last 30 days. They raised 18 million with investors like Founders Fund, Pantera Capital, Binance Labs, Coinbase Ventures. It looks like even Gemini, Tron DAO, and various other investors have put money down for this project. All right, so if we head back over here to their docs section, so this protocol is a new infrastructure for DeFi built to facilitate the most liquid markets for traders, liquidity providers, DAO treasuries, and developers. So if you're not familiar with what an automated market maker is, it's basically an automated on-chain smart contract that acts as an always available liquidity providers for people who wish to trade one type of token for another. So just think of like peer-to-peer trading. This is considered the truly permissionless decentralized trading on the blockchain, and most large dexes are all powered by some version of an automated market maker. So Maverick is, they claim here, well, they say they are the first dynamic distribution AMM capable of automating liquidity strategies that before have been required to have daily maintenance. So if you saw my previous video on Gamma, that whole protocol is automating liquidity. So go check that one out. It looks like a lot of these protocols are moving towards a more automated interaction with their protocol. So invest your money and the smart contract will do the rest. So if we scroll down here, this protocol is currently live on Ethereum, ZK Sync Era, and I believe BNB Smart Chain. All right, so let's head over to their dapp and look at what's going on here. So just like a similar DEX, you can swap tokens. So if you have some Ethereum, you can swap for the MAV token. There it is. You can currently transact on ZK Sync Era, BNB, and Ethereum, like mentioned. So if you have some ETH in your MetaMask, you can swap for the MAV token, and you can go ahead and stake that. We're going to get into that. So they currently have pools, just like any other protocol. You can go filter by APR over the last 24 hours. This one's doing 110%. So that's the MAV USDC. The total value locked is around 131,000. They have around 8,000 in volume and just under $80 in fees. So you can go here and do some research. So this is the Swell ETH. I haven't got into that protocol. I've discussed restaking your staked ETH on other projects like Origin Protocol and Unch ETH. So go check that out if you're interested in restaking and earning more on your staked ETH. So it looks like if we go 24-hour volume, this one is receiving a good amount of fees. So the USDC, USDT, this would be considered a stable investment. And we're going to get into the different modes. So like most protocols, you go in here, you would need both pairs in your wallet, and you can invest 50-50. And once you're in there, you would start earning fees generated from traders swapping for these things. So if you wanted to do USDC, USDT, if you had ETH in your wallet, you come over here and swap for these two stable coins, and you can invest in this pool. So if you look at these boosted pools, so these are added liquidity incentives, so trading fees and liquidity pool incentives. You'll see right here. So this one's given just under a percent of APR of boost. So if we scroll down, there's some decent ones here, like this one, Pendle. I did a video on that. So Pendle Finance, go check that one out. So look at this MAV ETH, 120% boosted. So, if you want to get in early with this one here, you can earn fees generated from this. Obviously, as more liquidity comes into these particular pools, that APR will go down significantly. But this one is currently offering just under 112% boosted APR. All right, so once you decide which pool you want to get into, you're going to need to decide what mode you want to invest. So there's 4 modes. Let's go back over here to their docs section and scroll down and look at modes. So there's the right mode. If you think of right, you think of going up. So if you're looking at, let's say, in a new bull market, let's say this could be a potential strategy to get into. So the price of the base asset, which would be the one on the right, will continue to go up. So if you say USDC and ETH pool, if ETH continues to go up, this would be a great strategy to have, the mode right. But if we're in a bear market and ETH is continuing to go down, or Bitcoin, you might want to choose this mode left. And basically, the smart contract will automate this, so it'll move your liquidity, so you're collecting the most amount of fees. So it's an efficient, that's why they're calling it concentrated liquidity. So it's an efficient way to manage your liquidity. So there's mode right. So if the price isn't increasing, you could potentially invest in that. Mode left, the price is decreasing. Maybe we're in a bear market. The mode both. So if we look at Bitcoin over the last several months, I mean, it'll do a price increase. Let's say it'll pump, but then it will stay at a range, a very small, tight range. Like even for weeks, it'll be at a $500, $1,000 range. So this could be the mode that you choose. And obviously there's risk. So you want to do a little bit more research. I'm just doing a high level here. So this would be the mode both. And the other mode, which is the mode static. So this is traditionally like other liquidity pools, and it's not as capital efficient than some of these other modes, but it's a way to invest your money and not having to manage it as often. All right, so there's 4 modes, like I mentioned. If you want to add liquidity, when you add liquidity to this Maverick protocol for the first time, you're going to mint a Maverick NFT. This NFT stores the details of your liquidity positions on Maverick, and it's used to manage and remove that liquidity. So your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, will hold the Maverick position NFT, and you won't be able to transfer or sell that Maverick position NFT unless you want to give control of that liquidity to another wallet. All right, so that is investing liquidity pools on the Maverick protocol. If you want to stake the MAV token, let's say you have the MAV token on Ethereum, ZK Sync Era, or BNB, you can come over here and stake it. So you would need that in your wallet. I'm going on to a wallet that I have a stake in MAV, a small stake. I just wanted to test this out. You click new stake, and let's say I wanted to add the total amount. For 4 years, you would receive this VE MAV, and it looks like after the 4 years, you would have that much in VE MAV, which I believe you can convert back into MAV. I wasn't able to swap for VE MAV in the swap section, but you can look at various other options. You can create your stake. So I'm going to do a 2-year stake. All right, approve it. Confirm. All right, so now I'm staking 128 MAV tokens for 2 years, and at the end I will receive 299. Who knows what the price of the MAV token will be in 2 years, July 2025. So that's the Maverick protocol currently. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, enjoy the rest of the summer. Be safe. Take care.